Magandang buhay! Halina't matuto kasama si Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Simulan na natin! English Grade 2, Term 1, Week 1, Day 3. Letter names L, U, C, H, B. Rhyming words in chant and common expressions and polite greetings. Learning competencies. First, identify alphabet letter names. L, U, C, H, B. Second, recognize rhymes in chants, poems, and stories heard. Third, use common expressions and polite greetings appropriate to a given situation. Learning objectives. First, identify alphabet letter names. L, U, C, H, B. Second, recognize rhymes in chants heard. Third, use common expressions and polite greetings in introducing oneself. Observe the following pictures. First, second, third, fourth. First, when you receive something, what will you say? Second, when you want to borrow a pencil from your classmates, what will you say? Third, when you pass between two persons talking, what will you say? Fourth, when you want to leave the room, what will you say? Directions: pick a situation and act it out in front of the class. And let your classmate tell what polite expressions you said. It would be in pairs. First, receiving something. Second, borrowing something. Third, passing to someone. Fourth, living in a room. In today's lesson, we will be learning a chant. We will also be learning the letters L, H, U, B, and C. Read the words below. Hooray, away. Twirl, girl. Do these words end with the same sound? Answer: yes. Hooray, away. Twirl, girl. Very good. Words with the same end sounds are called rhyming words. Rhyming words. What letter is this? L. L. Big letter L, small letter L. What letter is this? U. Big letter U, small letter U. What letter is this? C. Big letter C, small letter C. What letter is this? H. Big letter H, small letter H. What letter is this? Big letter B, small letter B. This time, I want you to look at these pictures, then name it. Lemon, lemon. umbrella, umbrella. Cat, cat. Hat, hat. Ball, ball. Lemon, lemon. L, l, l. Umbrella, umbrella. Soft sound, uh, uh, uh. Cat, cat. K, k, k. Hat, hat. Ha, ha, ha. Ball, ball. B, b, b. Now, look at this picture. What is in the picture? A person raising his two hands. What is she feeling? Happy or excited? When a person is happy, she is doing a blank action. A, hooray. B, thumbs down. Answer, A, hooray. What am I doing with my hair? Twirl, twirl. Twirl. Twirl refers to the action of circling, twisting, or winding the hair in your finger. Which action means to spin around? A, twirl. B, scratch. Answer, A, twirl. What does it say? Feeling cold. Do you feel the cold wind on your face and skin? Yes or no? What about the warmth of the sun? Yes or no? The cold wind or the warmth of the sun contributes to the vibe that you feel today. Vibe. Vibe refers to the emotional quality or atmosphere that you feel. Confident. What will you feel when the teacher gives a test and you have reviewed your lessons? Self-assured, confident, positive, and sure. You are blank in doing things when you are ready. A, confident. B, unsure. Answer, A, confident. Unique. Every individual is unique. Why are you unique? Mention qualities that you have that are not present with your friends. Before you listen to the chant, remember to follow the rules while listening. Look at the teacher talking in front. Listen using your ears and heart. Do not talk when someone else is talking. Wait for your turn to speak. In the chant that we will listen to is a person who discovered what her talent is. Discover how she looks at herself. Listen to the chant. Hooray! Hooray! I have always loved to twirl and slide. I dance to music, I will always have a happy vibe. Come and I will show my talent at any day. How fun it is to move and sway. Teacher, hooray! Chant, hooray! Confident is what I would describe myself. Love, be patient, and trust in yourself. Be unique and never hide away. Bring out your best and do as I say. Teacher, hooray! Chant, hooray! Let us talk about the chant. 1. What is the title of the chant? Answer, hooray! 2. What does the person talking in the chant say about herself? Answer, she says that she should be confident. 3. What did she describe herself? Answer, confident. 4. How about you? How can you be more confident? Example answer, I can be more confident by believing in myself, practicing my talents, and not being afraid to make mistakes. I will also be proud of who I am and keep trying my best. Name the pictures. 1. L. Lips. Lips. 2. B. Banana. Banana. 3. H. Horse. Horse. 4. U. Umbrella. Umbrella. 5. C. Cat. Cat. Lips. Lips. L. 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 Banana. Banana. B. 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 Horse. Horse. H. 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 Umbrella. Umbrella. Soft sound. A. Cat. Cat. K. 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 Look around the room and name objects that start with letters L, U, C, H, and B. Do the words rhyme? Put check if the pair of words rhyme. X if they do not. Slide, vibe. Slide, vibe. Do they sound the same? X. They sway. They sway. Do they sound the same? Check. Myself, yourself. Myself, yourself. Do they sound the same? Check. Away, say. Away, say. Do they sound the same? Check. What are the lessons we had learned today? What are the different polite greetings that you had learned today? What are the lessons we had learned today? Today, we learned how to be confident, express ourselves, and use polite greetings when talking to others. What are the different greetings that you remember from today's lesson? Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. B. Encircle the words that rhyme with the first word. 1. Slide. Slide. Hide, life, twine. Answer, hide. 2. Sway. Sway. Away, can, lift. Answer, away. 3. Yourself. Yourself. Shall, myself, left. Answer, myself. 4. Away. Away. Now, okay, fox. Answer, okay. 5. Race. Race. Place, nose, eyes. Answer, place. Place. Tell when you say the following expressions. 1. Thank you. 2. May I borrow? 3. Excuse me. 4. May I pass please? Good day for number 5.